Hi again, this is Bobby at Coppell TV Repair with a functionality proof video for LG Z board, Z sustain board EBR73561701, which is for the 16-inch LG TV. A few minutes ago I made a video for a Samsung X mainboard, which is also a Z sustain board for an eBay customer. This one is for an Amazon buyer. I just want to make sure that they see that this is a unique board. This is a fairly unique spot here. Probably there was a stamp on top of it that we removed because that's a heat sink and it needs the space to dissipate the heat, and we just couldn't clean that spot. But it's a fairly unique mark. You can see our board. Today is 9th of August 2019. A little longer, so that you can see this is the board, and this is the image that board is producing. The board was serviced. All the components that we see tend to fail on it have been replaced. If by chance you see that horizontal line here, don't worry about it. It is caused because of all the repairs that we've done. One of those strips, or was it the panel, it has been cut off and it's irreparable. That's why there is a line there. It has absolutely nothing to do with the X board. It can be seen in other videos that we do. And this is just to make sure that we're sending a functioning board, because both eBay and Amazon, all they need is just for a customer to blink an eye and say that the board that they received doesn't work. And they're very happy to force the vendor to take it back and give them a penalty strike for sending non-functioning board. So as you can see, this board is functional. We're just doing this as a both information and a precaution, even though in this world it doesn't really matter whether we prove or not and whether the buyer knows or not. The buyer can always say that board doesn't work, and we can try and argue that it apparently does. But in our experience, it is shot in the dark. Many times eBay and Amazon wouldn't care, and this is the nice world that we live in. Nevertheless, I hope the customer is one of those who appreciate and know that it's nice to know that the board that they receive has been actually serviced and tested in a live set. That is all. Best of luck with your repairs. Thank you very much.